Hi everyone, this is Ruby Parekh from Chocolatey Cakes Cooking and Baking Classes, and today we had workshop for momos. It is an online and offline workshop. Offline we conduct in Vadodara, Gujarat, and in online you can learn from anywhere. And we taught varieties of dough making here. First we taught professional dough making for momos, then wheat dough for whole wheat dough for healthy recipes, ragi dough, gluten free dough, fasting dough. Now you can have momos in fasting, and then we taught dim sum dough, and so many various dough we have taught first, and then we taught varieties of chutneys and dips for momos. In that we taught white potato dip. This is our quick momo chutney. This is our hot and spicy chutney. This is our restaurant style green chutney. This is our Szechuan chutney. This is our yellow sesame dip. This is our momo special chili garlic oil. And this is our garlic mayo that we taught from scratch. It is not made with mayonnaise. And then varieties of salad we taught, which we can serve with momos. You can see here kimchi salad, then veggie loaded salad, then authentic salad, then varieties of momos we taught. I just show you one by one. First of all, this is our gluten free and fasting momos. If anyone have allergic from gluten, then they can have this momo, and fasting people also can have these momos now. And this is our cheese corn momos. You can see the packing and all. And we taught 15 plus different shapes in momos. You can see here few shapes are here. And this is our vegetable dim sum. It is made with a starch, and the most highlight of this course dim sum these are. And look at the transparency. And these are Sufiana momos. These are tandoor momos, and it is Italian dumplings. And these are koti momos. This is pizza deluxe momos. These are KFC style kurkure momo. This is peri peri momo. These are Bhutani momo, momo Manchurian we can say. And this is momo burger. This is momo in makhni gravy, cheesy momo in makhni gravy. These are tandoori momo. These are just like barbecue, and you can serve with green chutney. And these are beetroot. These are made with beetroot dough, and yummy filling is inside. And look at the open momo shape. And this is our hara bhara momo. This is devil momo. This is in desert chocolate momo. Inside is chocolate yummy filling inside, and served with chocolate sauce, caramel sauce and all. And these all we taught practically, and approx 75 courses we have in Vadodara, Gujarat, and out of them approx 66 courses we have in online. For more details, please contact on 99740 65440. Thank you so much.